Hey, what's up you guys? Ford Taurus 28 here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to my antique display in front of my bedroom doorway, or it's right next to it. This is a Gamewell single stroke bell. It's a fire bell that I purchased from a garage sale last year for $10. Can't you believe it? $10 for like over 100 something pound fire bell. It's a treasure. It's a treasure I found. So this fire bell here, it can carry like 11 to 12 volts and 2.75 amps. So this is supposed to be like a warning device that alerts occupants of an industrial facility or a commercial building when a fire breaks out. I mean, this does not work. It's not connected to any wires or anything electrical, so this is more of a display, not an actual fire alarm. So I'm gonna take it down and show you the back of it, but I gotta forewarn you, this is not a toy. It's not a toy, and it's very heavy. Really, it's heavy. So I will be right back. So here's the back of it. You can see the wires, and it looks like there's some kind of a rotor or some kind of a chopper thingy behind it. I think that might trigger the bell or the alarm. I think there's something above it that can also... There we go. Makes that loud ring noise. I think that might be what makes the alarm sound is this thing up here. See if I can... There we go. There we go. So I'm pretty sure that some schools or a lot of schools still use this type of device, either if it's a fire alarm or a school bell. I mean, normally when school is out or when school is in session, you will hear this. Or if there is a fire and they want people to get out, they will sound like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on my wall. So if this thing were connected to electricity or wires that connect to like a circuit breaker or whatever, if this thing were ever to go off, it would cover the whole house. I mean, literally. Every room in my entire house would hear it. If this thing were to go off, it would be super loud. Super loud that it can hurt your ears. So if you were to connect this to wires and test it out, test the alarm, it's best if you put on like ear protection, such as noise canceling headphones, because fire bells like this, they do emit sound levels that can be powerful enough to cause permanent hearing damage or even permanent hearing loss. So I recommend you be extra cautious with devices like this. So, anyways, I think I'm going to wrap up for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for more exciting videos released by my channel. And thank you for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye and peace.